Sobra nyo na pong dami, nakaka-istorbo na po tayo, and they're getting mad at us, and maybe we will not be able to shoot here anymore, which we don't like, because I still need to finish the movie. And I hope you understand that, okay? We can do that if you'd be very quiet, and we take pictures in an orderly manner, without ruining our set. In fact, you're beyond what is allowed. Kanina po, nandun yung mga tao, ngayon andyan na po kayo. If we don't listen, if we don't keep quiet, we don't listen to them, you will leave here without seeing them, which I don't like. I would like to give that to you. The only chance to see them, right? But you have to follow instructions. So, kanina, I did it by batch. Hindi ko kayo pwedeng payagan solo lahat sa kanila. So for example, everyone from here to here, let's take a picture without shouting. Yes. Yes. Okay? Yes. Without coming here because these are not ours. Hindi po amin to. And the ones on the street, you really have to go. Nagagalit po sila. Sorry, sino ba yung nandyan? Sorry, the ones on the streets? Paano ba natin easy mapapaano yun?
Volunteer, mag-aaral ko.
Dahil kung mababait kayo at nakinig kayo sa akin, lalabas po namin yung dalawa, magpapapicture. Pero, wala na. Sige, wala na lang. Quietly po. Kanina pa po kami, walang tumitili. Nag-announce ako, walang titili, walang ano. Everyone cooperated. So I hope yung mga bagong dating would also cooperate. Okay? Pero hindi po pwede syempre isa-isa. Dahil aabutin tayo maghapon. So isang group picture and that's it. No, isang group picture. Like picture for everyone. Tapos
Everyone's at the end, there's a car passing by. Their car's passing through.
Tapos po, pagka-picture po, kailangan na po natin umalis kasi nga, ano na po, hindi naman din po natin makikita kasi buong araw po, sa loob lang sila. Okay. Wala na pong eksena sa labas, isa lang po yun. Okay po, so wala rin kayo makikita. Diba? Kaya ipapakita na po namin ng isang beses, ilalabas po namin, walang sisigaw. Walang magkakagulo. Kasi once may sumigaw, may magkagulo, papabalikin ko. Okay po? Okay.
Hatiin natin sa grupo kasi mukha kayong mga langgam. Ano, special kayo? Dito ang dami. Sumama kayo dito. Dito muna tayo. Dito muna tayo.
Sabi ko sa inyo, isagway niya, ibabalik.
Ako ang mag-airdrop ko sa inyo.
Wait po, dadating dyan, pupunta dyan. Pupunta dyan. Lahat sila may work din, ma'am. Lahat po.
One.
Ate, kuya, labas ka.
One, two. Dito po.
Nakaharap po ha, nakaharap.
Okay, thank you.
Dito. Okay na kayo, okay na kayo.
Sige na po, kami po lalapit sa inyo. Kami po lalapit.
Backward.